use a mouse every single day, but did you know there are actually 10 completely different types of computer mice? Each one built for a completely different purpose. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which mouse type is best for you. Let's get into it.
Optical mouse. The optical mouse is the most common type of computer mouse found in homes and offices worldwide today. It works by using a small LED light that shines downward onto the surface beneath the mouse, with a sensor capturing thousands of images per second of that surface and calculating the direction and speed of movement based on the changing patterns it sees. This technology replaced the older mechanical ball mouse in the early 2000s and made mouse maintenance essentially unnecessary. There are no moving parts to collect dirt and no ball to clean. Optical mice work reliably on most surfaces, including wood, fabric, and plastic, though they can struggle on highly reflective or completely uniform surfaces like glass. Their combination of accuracy, affordability, and durability has made them the default choice for everyday computing worldwide.
Laser mouse. The laser mouse operates on the same fundamental principle as the optical mouse, but uses an infrared laser beam instead of a visible LED light to illuminate the surface beneath. This seemingly small difference produces a significant practical advantage. Laser mice can track accurately on virtually any surface, including glass and highly polished surfaces that defeat optical mice entirely. The laser also enables higher sensor sensitivity, allowing laser mice to detect finer movements more accurately than most LED-based alternatives. Gaming and professional design applications where precise cursor control on any surface is important have driven adoption of laser mice. The trade-off is that laser mice can sometimes be overly sensitive to surface imperfections, causing slight cursor jitter on certain textures that optical mice handle more smoothly.
Wireless mouse. The wireless mouse communicates with the computer through either Bluetooth or a small USB receiver dongle using radio frequency signals, eliminating the cable that constrains movement and contributes to desk clutter. Freedom of movement and a cleaner desk setup are the primary advantages that have made wireless mice increasingly popular as battery technology and wireless communication have improved. Modern wireless mice offer response times that are virtually indistinguishable from wired connections for most everyday and gaming applications. Battery life varies from weeks to months depending on usage intensity and the specific technology used, with some premium models featuring rechargeable batteries that charge via USB-C when connected. The main consideration is battery management. Running out of power unexpectedly requires either recharging or replacing batteries before the mouse can be used again.
Gaming mouse. Gaming mice are precision-engineered input devices designed to give competitive gamers every possible performance advantage during gameplay. They feature high-resolution sensors capable of tracking movements at thousands of dots per inch with extreme accuracy, programmable buttons that can be assigned to in-game macros or functions, adjustable weight systems that allow the balance and feel of the mouse to be customized to individual preference, and RGB lighting systems that can be synchronized with other gaming peripherals. The shape of a gaming mouse is carefully considered. Some favor a symmetrical design suitable for both left and right-handed users, while others use an ergonomic shape contoured specifically for right-handed grip. Professional esports athletes are particularly specific about their mouse choices, with sensor accuracy, click response time, and weight being critical performance factors. Ergonomic mouse. Ergonomic mice are designed to position the hand and wrist in a more natural posture during extended computer use, reducing the strain and discomfort associated with the pronated flat hand position that standard horizontal mice impose. The most distinctive ergonomic mouse design is the vertical mouse, which orients the hand in a handshake position with the thumb pointing upward rather than resting palm down on the device. This orientation aligns the forearm bones more naturally and significantly reduces the rotational strain on the wrist during long computing sessions. Trackball mice, where a large ball on top of the stationary device is manipulated by the thumb or fingers to control cursor movement without moving the mouse at all, represent another ergonomic approach that eliminates forearm movement entirely. These designs are particularly valued by users who experience repetitive strain injuries or discomfort with conventional mice.
Trackball mouse. A trackball mouse is a stationary pointing device where the user rotates a large exposed ball with their thumb, fingers, or palm to control cursor movement rather than moving the entire device across a surface. The mouse body itself remains completely still during use, which eliminates the need for a large, clear desk space and removes the wrist and forearm movement that contributes to repetitive strain injuries in conventional mouse users. Trackballs were popular in professional workstations and graphic design environments before optical mice became dominant, and they have maintained a dedicated user base among people who value precision cursor control and ergonomic benefits. The large ball provides a satisfying tactile interaction and allows fine cursor adjustments that broad sweeping mouse movements cannot easily achieve, making trackballs popular among CAD users and graphic designers.
Touchpad Mouse. The touchpad, also called a trackpad, is a flat, pressure-sensitive surface built into laptop computers that translates finger movements into cursor movements on screen. It is the standard pointing device for portable computing, eliminating the need to carry a separate mouse. Modern touchpads support multi-finger gestures, 2-finger scrolling, pinch to zoom, 3-finger swipes for switching between applications, and 4-finger gestures for accessing system functions. Apple's Force Touch trackpad introduced pressure sensitivity that detects how hard the surface is pressed to trigger different functions. While touchpads are adequate for general computing tasks, many laptop users prefer to connect an external mouse when working at a desk for the greater precision and comfort it provides during extended sessions.
Stylus Mouse. A stylus mouse combines the form factor of a pen with the functionality of a computer mouse, allowing users to interact with a computer in a more natural handwriting or drawing motion. Unlike a standard mouse that is gripped in the palm, a stylus mouse is held between the fingers like a writing instrument, which is particularly intuitive for creative professionals who work in digital illustration, photo retouching, and graphic design. Wacom, the dominant manufacturer in this space, produces stylus devices that work in conjunction with graphics tablets to provide pressure-sensitive drawing input that responds to the force applied. Lighter strokes produce thinner lines, and heavier pressure creates thicker ones. This level of nuance in digital drawing closely mimics traditional artistic media and enables creative work that a standard mouse cannot support.
3D Mouse. A three-dimensional mouse, also called a 6DOF controller, which stands for 6 degrees of freedom, is a specialized input device designed for navigating three-dimensional digital environments, used in computer-aided design, architectural visualization, scientific modeling, and three-dimensional animation. Unlike a standard mouse that can only move in 2 dimensions, a 3D mouse responds to push, pull, tilt, and rotation movements simultaneously, allowing the user to pan, zoom, and rotate a three-dimensional model or view intuitively with one hand, while using a standard mouse for selection and editing tasks with the other. 3D Connection is the primary manufacturer of these devices, producing products used extensively in engineering, architecture, and visual effects industries. The learning curve for comfortable 3D mouse use is significant, but the productivity gains for professionals working in three-dimensional environments are substantial. Fingerprint Mouse. Fingerprint mice integrate a biometric fingerprint reader directly into the body of the mouse, combining the everyday function of cursor control with the security function of user authentication in a single device. Users can unlock their computer, authenticate into secure applications, or verify their identity for online transactions simply by resting a finger on the built-in fingerprint sensor during normal mouse use, without reaching for a separate fingerprint reader or entering a password. Microsoft and several peripheral manufacturers have produced fingerprint mice aimed at business users who require frequent authentication in secure environments. The convenience of combining 2 frequently used devices into one reduces desktop clutter and streamlines the authentication workflow for users who would otherwise need a separate biometric reader alongside their mouse.
That covers all the types of computer mice we have for you today. If this video helped you understand something new, make sure you subscribe to ByteSimple right now, because next week we are breaking down all kinds of speakers, and trust me, you do not want to miss that one. Drop a comment below and tell us, which type of mouse are you using right now? See you in the next one.